In this lesson, we're going to take a look at feminine and masculine lines. And what we're going to do is we're going to use core shape theory to help us understand this concept a little better. On the left, we have a circle, and on the right, we have a square. And below that, we have keywords associated with these very basic flat shapes. Circles tend to be soft. They give off a friendly vibe. Something that is round doesn't seem like it's about to stab you, so it's seemingly kind of gentle. It has connotations of gentleness and kindness as well. It doesn't seem like it could hurt you in any way. Conversely, squares give off the impression of solidity and strength. They're robust, they're sturdy, they don't look like they can move easily or roll around. And so understanding this basic shape theory leads into how we can understand how to draw our lines in a way that give the aesthetic of femininity or masculinity. Looking at our proportional drawings here, where we have the girl on the left and the male on the right, the female on the left and the male on the right, we can see that there are a lot more curvier round lines in the feminine form. And this is something that's very important to remember and is often overlooked when drawing characters. To get more of a feminine feel in your female characters, you want to make sure you're using a lot of C curves and S curves and avoiding any harsh angles when things turn. Conversely, in the male forms, you really want to bring out some of those angles. Common places where you can see them are in the jawline, at the points of articulation where the joints move, and in various other contoured areas where you can try to use angled lines to really exaggerate the robustness and sturdiness of the male form. In a nutshell, this is effectively the feminine and masculine lines. Keep them in mind as you move forward drawing in manga style. I'll catch you guys in the next lesson.